What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Shere from the Jungle Book. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the outside edge of the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's bend this down and then out. Let's line up the top over on the right and do the same thing. Coming down and then out towards the right. Now I'm going to bend the nose coming down and in towards the center point. Let's start back on the left, coming down and then in, out and then up. Let's add that trim around the nose, starting back on the left, and go up and in on both sides. And I want to round up the top, come down and in towards the middle, go up towards the right. Let's add the nostrils across the bottom. Leaving a gap in the center, start on the left. We're going to go up, round up the top, and come down. We're going to do the same thing on the right, going up and then down. Let's trace the nostrils along the inside. And we'll fill in the center. In the center of the nose, draw a short line coming down the middle, and then along the top, it's going to bend this in and then down along the side. Let's add a fold in between the brow, going up and then down, step up and draw a shorter curve. Now from here we draw the top edge of the eyes. Let's start back on the left. We're going to go up and then out. Let's add some thickness to the brow, starting back on the left. We're going to go up in the middle, then that down on the inside, and we'll fill the inside of the brows in black. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left, we're going to step in, curve the eye coming down, and then up on the inside. And then on the inside, draw two small black dots for the pupils. From the top of the nose, we're going to step down, add a trim. We're going to go out and then down towards the left and the right side. From the bottom, it's going to bend this around the cheek, come up and then in. And then from the top, we're just going to work our way around the cheeks. Let's start back on the left, then it's out, and then down. Draw a short line coming down on either side. Come up and in. Go out and back down. Now I'm just going to curve this down and in. And we'll separate this again with a curve going in and then back out. I'm just going to work our way down toward the bottom, and we'll curve this up and then in toward the side of the nose. Now let's go back to the tip of the nose, step down and add a curve for the mouth. We're going to start back on the left, going up and then back down, and then from the tip of the nose, draw a straight line coming towards the mouth. Let's go underneath the cheeks. Just going to curve this down and then out on either side. Let's add a point of fur coming in. Bend this around and then in. And we'll add another point going up. Let's round up the chin. We'll come down in the middle, go across and up. Now on the inside of the muzzle, we're going to draw 3 dots on either side. So we'll start with 2. Add 2 more on the outside. Now from these 2 points, we're going to step up and curve the top of the head. Let's go up in the middle, round up the head, and then come back down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the ear. We'll go out, round up the ear, and then pull that in toward the top of the cheeks. Let's trace the ears along the inside, going out and back in. Now I want to add those stripes across the face. From the brow, we're going to step up, curve this around, in, and then up toward the inside of the eye. Now add a thick trim along the outside, going out and then in towards the bottom. Let's fill that trim in black. Now we want to add 2 more stripes along the bottom. Let's start back on the left, come around, and then in. Go back to the outside, thicken this up, and pull that in. I'm just going to fill the inside in black. Let's add 1 more stripe across the bottom, coming down and then up. Picking this up and go out toward the outside. And we'll fill the inside with the stripes. Now we're going to add the whiskers coming out from the side of the muzzle. Let's start on the left side, then it's out, and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and down. Let's go down and add another whisker. Just going to bring this down a little bit further, across the bottom. And then we'll add a few more across the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Shere Khan from the Jungle Book. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.